Hi there, my name is Jan Stana and I'll be going through assignment 3 of my software project. The project is on the dealership, so I'll just be going through the new code that I've added. So firstly, starting off, hashtag include algorithm. This is the new library that I've added in. So if I scroll down to here, so STL sort algorithm. This is basically sorting the vehicles by the price, and I have it going from the cheapest vehicle to the most expensive vehicle. I've also added another one here, and this is comparing the years of the vehicle. So basically, I've used bool here, and it's basically comparing the oldest to the youngest, so ascending order basically. I've added in also a find if. So basically, in our dealership, we have maximum 10 vehicles in the dealership. So this helps the user find the right vehicle for them. So basically, if they're looking for, let's say, a BMW, this would search the dealership for the BMW, and if there's a brand check, so let's say if we do have a BMW, that it would return that the BMW has been that the car has been found, so that we do have the vehicle, and if not, then it would not return. It would say that the vehicle is not found, which means we don't have it. I've also added in hashtag include upstream. This is basically allowing for data to be stored in another file. So we use OFstream, and then the output file is vehicles.txt, and it's storing the vehicle's brand, year, and price of each vehicle in the dealership. And I have ifstream here, which basically reads from the file and basically reads line by line the details stored of each vehicle. I've also added another function here, so vehicles by price range. So basically, for this one, it helps the user a lot. So if, for example, the user only can spend between 10,000 and let's say 20,000, the minimum price would be 10,000, and the maximum price would be 20,000, and it would display the vehicles between those price ranges. So it would help the user find the right car for them, basically. Um, I've also added in the hashtag include std except. So if I go down to here, so out of range, basically, as I've said before, that there's 10 vehicles in the dealership. So it's between 1 to 10 vehicles in the dealership. So if the user asks for the vehicle in slot 0 or slot 11 or any above 10, it basically would return that it's invalid vehicle index, and the user must try again, basically between 1 and 10, because that's the only options the dealership has. And that's all the code that's been added in for assignment 3, and I'll just show you the code running as well. And here's all the options as well. And that's my assignment for software. Thank you for listening.